What up mga solid subscribers? So ngayon guys, no, tingin ulit tayo ng mga updates po kay Jiro Pages, no. So solid, napakaraming updates si Jiro Pages, no. So a very big shoutout po tayo kay Jiro Pages, no. So ito yung papanood nating video is entitled "This J-pop group has followed SB19 even before Gento broke out into the scene." I mean, broke into the scene pala. Broke into the scene, okay, no? Ano kaya itong J-pop group na po ito, no? Although na hindi ako familiar po. More on sa P-pop groups kasi talaga ako familiar, guys, na. Pero sa mga J-pop, hindi ako ganun ka-familiar. Sobra as in, no? Okay, na bago simulan to, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kaya ring na notification bell na rin para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So without further ado, let us all watch this!
SB19 Philip is just unstoppable. Besides being one of the members of the highly acclaimed, history-making, and P-pop supergroup SB19, Philip is also a giant of an artist in his own right. Right now, his solo promotion in Japan is on track as he promotes in multiple platforms, having fan meets, sign up, and a...
Ito yung angle ni Philip dito. Mukha siyang Japanese talaga, guys. As in, mukha siyang Japanese yung mata niya, di ba? Tingnan mo. Mukha siyang J-pop, oh. Kung titingnan na maigi, guys. Hindi mo akalain ng Pinoy siya. Ang kulit ito.
He promotes in multiple platforms, having fan meets, sign up, and a concert.
Grabe yung mga tao. Tingnan nyo naman po yun, guys. Look at that crowd. Grabe si Philip.
Having fan meets, sign up, and a concert, showcasing his impeccable music, especially through his recently released debut album, Seven Sins. Just yesterday, we got another awesome opportunity to get to know more about Philip, his craft, and hear him talk about his career together with the J-pop group, One and Only. This was on The Real Sound, JP. Here's some highlights from this interview. Hayato, one of the One and Only members, spoke about their discovery and of their following of SB19 even before 2021 when Philip debuted. They're updated with SB19's releases that actually, they're probably one of the earliest international groups to dance to Gento just a month after it was released. Member Teta and Hayato also praised the production of Philip's Envy. In the later part of the interview, Philip also shared SB19's group's dynamic as they work as a group, while also working on their solo endeavors. He also shared that the group remains close, with the principle that as long as their solo activities don't get in the way of the group activities, that it's fine, explaining that being a member of SB19, and a solo artist as well, made him cultivate his sense of balance. During this part, Philip shared his goals and dreams, saying that it's not illegal to dream, that he wants to stand on a big stage, perform with various artists. He says that, in the process of realizing his dreams, he wants to evolve as a musician and as a person. In the future, he would like to be an inspiration to young artists who will emerge in the future. Ultimately, he wants to be remembered as a legendary artist even after he dies. That's my dream.
Wow.
These are indeed inspiring words. You can feel the boundless enthusiasm and fire in Philip's statement. You can feel it in his lyricism. You can see it in his music videos. You witness it in his performances. It's made manifest in his masterpieces. He loves his work, and he gives and pours out his all into it. With this amount of passion, it's no wonder Philip has achieved so much since he broke through the music scene. Looking forward to more of his achievements. We're certain that a much bigger stage awaits him. The best is yet to come. Stay connected, like and subscribe.
Okay guys, no. Doon mo kasi makikita po talaga guys, no, kung talagang sinusuportahan kayo ng isang grupo, no, outside the country pa guys, no. Pag halimbawa man talaga na-appreciate nila, gumawa sila ng dance cover, and then kitang-kita ko sa galon nila guys na sobrang inaral po talaga nila yung sayo na Gento, no. And even after pa nun guys, no, yung broke into the scene, no, before daw yung yung Gento talagang sobrang pumutok, no. Talagang alam na yung Gento, no. Alam niyo yun na usually naman yung Gento is Tagalog siya, Tagalog song, 'di ba? Doon naman siguro talagang even before guys, kaya alam na lang talagang SB19. Nakakatawa lang guys na may mga ganung klaseng mga grupo na na-appreciate po yung ating mga talento, no, kasi no. So, very big shoutout po talaga sa ating bahaliman, especially kay Ken, no, kay Philip, no.
SB19, Pagtatag, the documentary which now holds the record for officially being the highest-grossing Filipino documentary film of all time in the Philippines, now lands in Hong Kong. This is exciting, since more people will get to see and know more about SB19's real story of success. In fact, yesterday was the first day of Pagtatag, the documentary screening in Hong Kong. This film of all time in the Philippines now lands in Hong Kong.
Yan,
This is exciting since more people will get to see and know more about SB19's real story of success. In fact, yesterday was the first day of Pagtatag, the documentary screening in Hong Kong, and it was a resounding success. Multiple fan bases and members' houses, led by the 18 Hong Kong team, united and collaborated for the successful event. Even Sony's Roslyn Pineda is present to show support for the event. You can feel the overflowing excitement, energy, and love from fans who came out in droves to show their support.
Gento! Let's go!
Even online, hashtags related to the event trended on Hong Kong's X Trends. Now, through this video shared by Farmnist LHK, Farm D Pressa, we get to know one local Hong Konger 18. Here she shares her love for SB19, that she actually traveled to the Philippines twice just to see SB19 personally, and that her bias is Stel, she proudly declares.
Saan siya nanggaling?
Here she shares her love for SB19. D Pressa, we get to know one trended on Hong Kong's X Trends. Now, through this video shared by Farmnist LHK, Farm D Pressa, we get to know one local Hong Konger 18. Here she shares her love for SB19, that she actually traveled to the Philippines twice just to see SB19 personally, and that her bias is Stel, she proudly declares.
People, even though I don't really know Tagalog that much, and my bias is Stel.
Wow!
And then I even go to Manila, they go.
Look at that bright smile and excitement, together with that cute strawberry-themed bonnet. She's certainly a true 18 and a Pressa. Through her Twitter account, she shared this: "Couldn't be happier. Proud 18. Manifesting concert here in Hong Kong. So happy to meet other 18. So welcoming. Thank you, Mama Sony, for making this happen. This is beautiful. To see SB19's music reaching out beyond the Philippines, inspiring others, bringing happiness, comfort, and warmth to their fans offshore as well. We're certain that it's only going to go up from here on, as SB19 will certainly get bigger and bigger in their reach, influence, and popularity in the coming years. Congratulations 18 and SB19.
Guys, ito lang ito sabihin ko sa iyo, no. Yung fan na yun na galing Hong Kong, no. Believe me, hindi po basta-basta po yung ticket yan, guys, na. Hindi po basta-basta yan. Maliban na lang, guys, kung promo ka. Pero kahit promo, guys, yung mga piece of fare, alam niyo yun, 'di ba? Ang mahal pa rin, nanunwala kayo sa akin, no. And dito pa nga lang, guys, kunyari, magbubook ako ng Manila to Cebu. Mga ganun, guys, Manila to Cebu. Ang ticket mo dyan is around 3,500 to 4,000, no? Gana po yun, guys. Gana po siya kamahal as in, no? What more pa po yung gano'n, no? Even though na, I think, hindi ano yun, ha? Yung binook niya yung sa nanood siya ng SB19, no? I'm very sure, guys, na hindi niya binook yun ng parang promo, no? Parang gano'n, no? Binook niya talaga yun, na talagang binook niya mismong araw na yun, no? Grabe, no? Talaga yung suporta, no? Parang gagawin mo lahat para sa idol mo, no? Nakakatuwa lang yung mga ganun, no? Siyempre, ganun po yung impact po ng ating mahalima sa mga fans. Ganun po yung impact nila sa mga tao, no? Kaya nakakatuwa. And I hope, guys, marami po talaga mga tao na ma-appreciate and supporta po, no? Wag na sana i-bash, wag na sanang i-down yung sariling atin, no? Sariling atin, no? Kasi yun, sila rin yung magtataguyod ng ating bansa very very soon, no? Hindi naman to the point na parang sila may mga senador, hindi, kasi in terms of syempre, alam niyo naman, guys, kung gaano kaputok, no, in reality, guys, alam niyo kung gaano ka binuhat po ng K-pop industry ang ang Korea, no? Isa sila sa mga bumuhat talaga as in, no? Isa sila, yan, yung BTS, Blackpink, grabe, no? Talagang nakilala ang Korea dahil po sa K-pop po talaga, guys, as in, no? And tayo, hindi natatanggi, guys, no? Ang dami na influence po ng K-pop sa ating mga Pilipino, no? Ang dami po talaga na influence, no? And kaya, ayun, I'm very sure, guys, nagagawa ng marka ang ating mahalima, and then, darating yung time na tayo naman ang gagayahin. Let's go, no? Darating yung time, maniwala kayo sa akin, na tayo naman yung gagayahin ng mga ibang bansa, sila naman may inspire sa atin. Let's go! Claim natin yan, So, ayan, bago tapusin itong video to, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell na rin para alam nyo pag ako'y nag-release ng bagong video. So, this is Point of Signing out. Peace, let's see.